Good morning children. Welcome to our class. Today we are going to learn about the subtraction of fractions. In that, subtraction of like fractions. What are like fractions? Fractions having the same denominator are called like fractions. Fractions having the same denominator are called like fractions. First one, 5 by 6 minus 2 by 6. Here the denominators are same. So these are called like fractions. 5 by 6 minus 2 by 6. How we will do the subtraction of like fractions? Subtracting the numerators and writing common denominator. So 5 minus 2 by, what is the denominator here? 6. 5 minus 2 by 6. 5 minus 2, 3 by 6. Again these 3 and 6 will come in same table. Yes, what table? 3 table. So both we have to do the division with 3. 3 divided by 3 by 6 divided by 3. 3 table 3, 3 ones are 3 by 3 twos are 6. So the answer is 1 by 2. Next one, 9 by 11 minus 2 by 11. So here are the same. First we have to subtract the numerators. 9 minus 2 by 11. 9 minus 2 by 11. 9 minus 2, 7. 7 by 11. 7 by 11 is a proper fraction. So we can't convert this into mixed fraction. Next one, 5 1 by 3 minus 2 2 by 3. These are mixed fractions. These mixed fractions we have to convert into improper fractions. So first, while we are converting into improper fraction, whole number and denominator, first we have to multiply whole number and denominator. 5 into 3, 5 3s are 50. Add the numerator, 5 3s are 50 plus 1. 16 by 3 minus 2 3s are 6 plus 2. 8 by 3. 2 3s are 6 plus 2, 8 by 3. So next 16 minus 8 by 3. 16 minus 8, 8 by 3. So 8 by 3 is an improper fraction. Numerator is greater than the denominator. So it is an improper fraction. So these improper fraction we can convert into mixed fraction. So do division with 3. 3 2s are 6. 8 minus 6, 2. So 2, 2 by 3. 2, 2 by 3. Next one, 6 5 by 8 minus 2 3 by 8. 6 same. This is mixed fraction. It is a mixed fraction. We have to convert into improper fraction. 6 8s are 48. 48 plus 5. 48 plus 5. 53 by 8 minus 2 8 is 16. 16 plus 3. 2 8 is 16. 16 plus 3. 19 by 8. 53 minus 19 by 8. 53 minus 19. 53 minus 19. 32. 34 by 8. This 34 by 8 is an improper fraction. We have to convert it to mixed fraction. 8 table 34. 8 4s are 32. So 2. But 34 and 8 will come in what table? 34 and 8 will come in 2 table. So 34 divided by 2 by 8 divided by 2. 34. 17 by 4. So now do division with 4. 4 4s are 16. 17 minus 6. 16 1. So 4 1 by 4. So 17 by 4 is equal to 4 1 by 4. Next one is subtraction of unlike fractions. In the first problem, 5 by 6 minus 7 by 12. These two are unlike fractions. When we are subtracting the unlike fractions, we have to do the LCM of the denominators. Here what is the LCM? LCM of 6 comma 12. If you observe here 6 and 12. 6 is a factor of 12. 6 is a factor of 12. If one number is a factor of the other number, in that the bigger number is the LCM and the smaller number is the HCF. So here if you observe 6 is a factor of 12. So what is the bigger number here? 12. So LCM is 12. Now we have to write the first fraction. 5 into by 6 into minus 7 into by 12 into. So we find the LCM for the denominator. So in the first fraction, what is the denominator? 6. In this 6 table, this LCM how many times it will come? 6 table 12. 6 2s are 12. So both the numerator and denominator we have to multiply with 2. Next one, 7 by 12. Here what is the denominator? 12. In this 12 table, this LCM how many times it will come? 12 ones are 12. So here also both we have to multiply with 1. 5 2s are 10 by 6 2s are 12 minus 7 ones are 7 by 12 ones are 12. So here these two will be like fractions. While we are doing the subtraction of like fractions, subtracting the numerators by what is the common denominator? 12. So 10 minus 7 by 12. 10 minus 7, 3 by 12. These 3 and 12 will come in same table. What table? Both will come in 3 table. So both we have to do division with 3. 3 divided by 3 by 12 divided by 3. So 3 table 3. 3 ones are 3 by 3 fours are 12. Okay, next one. 6 by 14 minus 3 by 21. 6 by 14 minus 3 by 21. Here 14 and 21. We have to find the LCM of 14, 21. 14 comma 21. So 14 comma 21. These two will come in what table? 7 table. So 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. Again 2 3 will come in same table? No. So 7 into 2 into 3. 7 2s are 14, 14 3s are 42. 14 3s are 42. So first fraction 6 into by 14 into minus 3 into by 21. So this denominator here 14. 14 table 42. 14 3s are 42. 14 3s are 42. So both we have to multiply with 3. Next one 21 table. 21 table 42. 21 2s are 42. So both we have to multiply with 2. 6 3s are 18 by 14 3s are 42 minus 3 2s are 6 by 21 2s are 42. So here now these convert into like fractions. So we have to subtract the numerators. 18 minus 6 by 42. 18 minus 6 12. 12 by 42. This 12 and 42 will come in what table? Both will come in what table? Yes. Both will come in 6 table. 12 divided by 6. 42 divided by 6. 6 table 12, 6 2s are 6 table 42, 6 7s are 42. So the answer is 2 by 7. Next one. 4, 4 by 5 minus 1, 1 by 2. These two are mixed fractions. First we have to convert the mixed fractions into improper fractions. So 4, 4 by 5. 4, 5, 5, 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 4, 24 by 5 minus 1 2s are 2. 2 plus 1. Numerator 1 here. 1 2s are 2. 2 plus 1. 3 by 2. Now we have to find the LCM of 5, 2. If you observe here, 5 and 2 are what numbers? 5 and 2 are co-primes. Why these two are co-primes? These two will not come in same table. These two are prime numbers. So LCM of prime numbers is their product. So we have to multiply this to 5 into 2. 5 2s are 10. Now first fraction 24 into by 5 into minus 3 into by 2 into. What is the denominator here? 5. This table is 10 how many times? 5 table 10, 5 2s are 10. So both we have to multiply with 2. Here 2 table 10, 2 5s are 10. So both we have to multiply with 5. 24 2s are 48 by 5 2s are 10 minus 3 5s are 15 by 2 5s are 10. Now this will be converted convert into like fractions. First we have to subtract the numerators. 48 minus 15 by 10. 48 minus 15, 33 by 10. So it is 33 and 10 will come in same table? No. Again it is what fraction? It is an improper fraction. So we have to convert an improper fraction into mixed fraction. So do division with 10. 10 here 33. 10 3s are 30. So the remainder is 3. Here what is the quotient? That is the whole number. What is the remainder? That is the numerator. And what is the divisor? That is the denominator. 3 by 10. Next one is 3 minus 3 by 4. Here 3. 3 means how we should write? 3 by 1 minus 3 by 4. Now we have to find the LCM of the denominators. LCM of 1 comma 4. What is the LCM of 1 comma 4? 1 into 4? 4. So LCM is 4. Now first fraction 3 into by 1 into minus second one 3 into by 4 into. This one table 4 how many times? 4 times. 1 4s are 4. So both the numerator and denominator we have to multiply with 4. Next. Here denominator 4. 4 table 4. 4 1s are 4. 3 4s are 12 by 1 4s are 4 minus 3 1s are 3 by 4 1s are 4. Now 12 minus 3 by 4. 12 minus 3 9 by 4. 9 4 will not come in same table and it is an improper fraction. We have to convert these improper fraction into mixed fraction. So do division with 4. 4 table 4 2s are 8. 9 minus 8 1. So 2 1 by 4. Next one 6 2 by 3 minus 4. This is a mixed fraction. We have to convert into improper fraction. 3 6 are 6 3s are 18 and add the numerator. 6 3s are 18 plus 2. 20 by 3 minus 4 by 1. So LCM of 3 comma 1 is equal to 3. 20 into by 3 into minus 4 into by 1 into. This 3 table 3 how many times? 3 1s are 3. Next one table 1 3s are 3. 20 1s are 20 by 3 1s are 3. 4 3s are 12 by 1 3s are 3. 20 minus 12 by 3. 20 minus 12 8 by 3. 8 and 3 will not come in same table. 8 is numerator, 3 is denominator. Numerator is greater than the denominator. So it is an improper fraction. We have to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. So 3 8. 3 2s are 6. 8 minus 6 2. So 2